in this video, I guess in that last one, I didn't have time to finish talking about all of them because I included those two. So in this video, do the same thing. I want you to go ahead and identify the turning points, relative min and max, the intervals of increase and decrease. All right. So pause the video, give that a shot. All right, I'm going to go ahead and identify these here. So turning points, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 turning points. All right, so -6 is because it goes from down to up right there. -5 is because it goes from up to down. 3 is because it goes from down to up. And so is 10 because it goes from up to down. Right. Relative minimums, there are 2 of those, -1, see here, and +2. So it's the y values at those down to up turning points. And then for our relative max, we've got 4 and 4. All right, so there's that one and that one. So I guess you could just say 4, I suppose. Yeah. For our intervals of increase and decrease, so let's do increasing first here. All right, so it is increasing from -6 to -5. All right, that's from here to there. And it's also increasing from 3 to 10. All right, from there to there. All right. I guess I can scroll up a little. And decreasing. It's decreasing from -infinity until it gets to -6. All right, so from way out there until it gets to this x value. It's also decreasing from -5 to 3, right there. And it's also decreasing from 10 to infinity. All right, even though it's going downwards, we don't say -infinity. So from 10 to infinity, it's also decreasing. Good. And I guess I'll mention real quick again. This interval, the -infinity to -6, if you were doing the algebraic notation for that, it would be all numbers that are less than -6. And then this one, it'd be all numbers that are greater than 10. All right, that's what that little interval, the algebraic notation would be for that interval. On this one, so number of turning points, figure that out. Okay, so down to up, so -6 is one of our turning points. And it's going up, but you see here it keeps going up, so -5 is not a turning point. So it's still going up, increasing, but when it gets to 3, it does start going down again. So 3 is a turning point, and so is -6. And then at 10, it just keeps going down. So that is not a turning point. Let's go ahead and label the increasing, decreasing. We'll call that a day here. All right, increasing is going to be from -6 to -5. Nope, I almost got that wrong again. Yeah, it does increase from -6 to -5, but it keeps increasing until it gets to 3. And that's all the increasing. Decreasing. Pause there for a sec. So decreasing is going to, well, let me pull that down. All right, it's decreasing from way out here until it gets right here. So it's falling from -infinity until it gets to -6. All right, and it's also decreasing, so it increases until it gets to here, and then it starts decreasing again. So it'd be 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity.